All right, here in this video, we are covering the third part, double angle formulas, and now we will finally look at tangent of a double angle. Okay, all right, so 5.3, part 3. Okay, this is the last part, and it is very short. Okay. All right, so tangent to A is equal to 2 tangent A all over 1 minus tangent squared A. Okay, so this is also on that formula sheet. Let's take a look at the proof, just like we looked at the proof of the double angle formula for sine and for cosine. So, all right, so tangent to A is, and we're going to approach it the same way, A plus A is 2A. And we know from the sum and difference formulas, tangent of A plus A is going to be tangent of A plus tangent of A all over 1 minus tangent A tangent A. And that's because B here is actually A, right? Okay, and if I simplify this, I get 2 tangent A in the numerator and 1 minus 2 tangent squared. Sorry. 1 minus tangent squared A. Okay, and this here is the right-hand side. Okay. All right. And now we're just going to look at a couple of simplifying problems, and then that will be it. All right, so let's simplify. 2 tangent 15 over 1 minus tangent squared 15. Okay, so here we see that A is equal to 15 degrees, right? And we see that this fits the structure of the double angle that we have up here, right? 2 tangent A, 1 minus tangent squared A. Okay? All right, so here, 2 tangent 15, 1 minus tangent squared 15 is going to be equal to tangent to A. In this case, A is 15. So tangent of 2 times 15, which is tangent 30. That looks like 36, but it's not supposed to be. Okay, so tangent 30. And we know that tangent of 30 degrees is, hopefully you have it memorized, square root 3 over 3. Okay. Let's take a look at another one. Let's simplify. 2 cosine squared two cosine squared 22.5 degrees minus 1. Hopefully you recognize this structure. Here, this one looks like this structure. 2 cosine squared A minus 1 is equal to cosine squared cosine 2A. Okay, so hopefully you recognize that this here fits this structure. Therefore, and in this case, A is 22.5 degrees, right? So if I work this out, 2 cosine squared 22.5 degrees minus 1, I know that's going to be cosine 2A. And now I can plug in for A. That's going to be cosine 2 times 22.5 degrees. And that is going to give me cosine 45 degrees. And we have that one memorized, even though we don't have 22.5 memorized. Okay. All right. So that is really it. If you have any questions, email me or text message me.